Skillbite here, and my engine gets wet when it rains. So this video is going to be how to replace the cowl lacing, or some people may call it the firewall to hood seal. So I hope you can see right here between the hood and the firewall. This is actually the cowl up here, but anyway, there's a piece of rubber seal. All right, so here it is. This thing, that is some hard, worn out rubber. Here's the new one, much more pliable. These are the clips. As you can tell, when they push into the slot, they're going to be on, and it's going to be hard to get off without breaking them. So it's a little slot. If you have the right, if you have like a bent needle nose, you might be able to get behind them through here and squeeze them to get them out. Or you may just be able to pull on them. So on mine, I could literally lift up and pull out. Now it's not, see if it'll work here. Yeah, so there you go. Mine are that easy. Now yours may or may not be that easy. All right, so here's the new one. And we want to look at, make sure the clips are in the right spot. So these clearly are not in the right spot for this side. All right, there's a little trick here. Some of these are longer than others. So in my case, I have a slot here that matches the other slots, and this one did not go in it. Let's pull this down a little bit. Look at there, they now match. So depending on yours, and I think it's the 78, 79s, don't quote me on this, use the longer one. And yes, it would go all the way to this slot. So that'll slide right in there, and that'll line up with all the others. I believe it's the 73 to 77 is actually the shorter ones. You could, you know, most of the places I saw, and I ended up having to get this from one of the Ford truck restoration sites. I couldn't find it on my cheaper sources, but they'll be the longer, and you just cut it if you have the shorter one that you need to use. So, and you just, you know, you might want to clean it up. Definitely clean that up. But just pull these out. I can't believe it. I think just pulling right out. So I'm gonna finish pulling out, and then I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. So mine all came out easy. They do, the clip is bent. Hopefully that's focusing. They're on the bottom. So theoretically, it should pull out, but I never expect that. Putting the new one on is really simple. This is the top. And if you start on the driver's side, the left side, it's gonna be harder to put in than it was to take out. Press that in. There. Woo. Okay. It's not they fit in pretty tight, but they will go in. Just put your thumb right behind the clip and give it a good push, and that thing will snap in. It does take a little effort, and those ones in the middle could be a challenge because you're gonna have to reach All right, you may need to get some better leverage to get these middle ones. See if I can do this and keep it in frame. These here start moving. It's can be a bit of a challenge, but with the right leverage for some there, they'll pop in. If yours don't want to pop in, put just a touch of grease. It might help. So now we've got new cowl lacing. All right, that should seal better. All right, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.